What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, we definitely had an interesting week in the Bitcoin price. For instance, just yesterday we had a massive wick up all the way up to 56,500 plus, guys. Let me know if you actually caught that trade, because when I made my video it was right around here and I was saying a breakout to the upside is imminent, guys. Let me know if you caught that, because it only lasted about 15 minutes. We're talking a real quick trade, but we actually got the crossing way back here. And guys, there's definitely a lot of patterns within patterns letting us know where the price action is going, guys. But there could be another breakout imminent, guys. I want to show you guys exactly how to enter the market, whether long or short, so you can make profits over on your favorite exchange. And guys, if you haven't signed up using my links right here, you can save up to almost $2,000 just by using these links right here. And don't forget about my giveaway, guys. One lucky winner will be winning a Ledger Nano X at the end of the month. All you have to do is deposit a minimum of 0.02 BTC. And we have a bonus giveaway going on. The first 20 users who simply register an account with BYBIT will receive $5 bonus on top of the $100 bonuses they will receive from Rewards Hub. And here is the link right here. And we definitely have a bunch of other coins to talk about today, guys. These are just biblical times in cryptocurrency. If you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, let's dive right into the price action. Okay guys, let's just start out with the Bitcoin price. We definitely had a lot of patterns within patterns here, and there's actually a few more, but these are just the main ones here, so let's just go over them. We had an ascending wedge, and I used wedge theory to get the measurement. For instance, measured from the back of the wedge to the point of breakout, and guys, perfect hit right there, right into a nice W formation, okay? Measured from resistance to lowest wick to point of breakout, and guys, a very easy hit. This is where I made my video saying, hey guys, we might be getting a breakout momentarily. We had a little bit of a bounce around right here. The EMA's having a cross, but then they had the cross back right here, and we had a trifecta, guys. So you could have actually taken a position right here, being very aggressive. And if you did, you caught a major pump, quite simply. And this actually went all the way up to the VPVR. Okay, so the major support and resistance that we've been dealing with. Nice little bounce off it, guys. That's what that's for. Amazing times. Cross right back, got a nice bounce off the reverse pressure. We've been respecting reverse pressure for a while as well, guys. This is really exciting. Even if we just move it down a little further, it's nicely being held in respect. We are breaking through it right now as we speak, guys. That's what I was talking about. Breakout could be imminent. Then we had a nice wedge right here, okay, descending wedge. Okay, used wedge theory, okay, measured from the back of the wedge to the point of breakout. Okay, guys, target was very easily hit right there. Easy hit. Then a nice inverse head and shoulders, okay, measured from head to point of support. Okay, and yes, this was a little dirty, guys, because of this overextended area, guys, but it actually played out perfectly, so we can call it that. Remember, the volatility of crypto, guys, isn't going to always avail you perfect patterns, okay? We have to try to pick them out as we move forward, okay? So again, guys, dumping down right now. We just broke through reverse pressure, about to hit the next sign of reverse pressure, and then we have the bottom of the pattern right here, guys. So we could be getting a breakout or a bounce any moment, guys. Definitely keep your eyes open on the Bitcoin price, and if you wanted to take this trade, for instance, I would play this big pattern here. So for instance, we break out to the downside, watch for a break of the support of the pattern. We break out to the upside, watch the resistance of the pattern. For instance, if it breaks to the downside, you go short. If it breaks to the upside, you go long, guys. And that's exactly how I'd be looking to play this moving forward, guys. And if you're looking for specifics, if this were to kind of go back up like that, you'd probably get a break around 53,929. Okay, guys, that's where exactly I'd be looking to go long right there. But guys, you could also play the patterns. You can play the indications. Something I really like to teach people, especially on just YouTube, because they're not able to ask me questions one-on-one, is I try to teach people to play the breakouts. Because a breakout means a more solidified move. So if you can catch the breakout, you know, see it coming, guys, it's just an easier form of trade than, for instance, say playing patterns, playing indications. It always turns out better, especially for new traders. So again, always play your breakouts. And guys, let's talk about Electroneum. We could be getting a negative breakout right now. We actually might need to adjust this just a little bit here. Let me move this over for you guys just so I can move that a little bit. Okay, so tighten up just a pinch. We did have a touch way back here. Okay. So we're definitely either about to get a breakout to the downside, or hopefully we can get a bounce and keep working this pattern to get a breakout to the upside, guys. Remember, we definitely want this to get a rebound here and start to retest legacy line. Again, there's no guarantees, but guys, you know, with this wedge, a breakout is definitely coming here. We're definitely tightening up, for instance, pulling up the Bollinger Bands here. I mean, look just how tight we are. Even during the expansions, we are tight. We are tight, tight, tight. So this is a sizable expansion here. We could be getting a breakout to the downside right now, but hopefully, guys, we get a little bit of a bounce. But for instance, if we break support, go short. If we break the top side, go long, guys, very simply. And guys, if you're looking for a target, you just measure from the back, okay, to wherever it breaks out. So say like it does break out here, we can get a technical target of 0.016. Let's say we break out right up here, bounces back up, 0.019. Okay, that would be your entries, guys. Definitely check that out. And guys, let's talk about Mana. Almost in the exact same situation. We are just about to have a breakout to the downside, guys. We definitely got the cross way up here at 1.4. Okay, so we're either going to get a bounce right here if we get a little bit better volume. For instance, we have a lot of negative volume right here. For instance, this is basically all-time high right up here. Okay, so a lot of Mana people, for instance, if they didn't take profits in the last pump, are thinking to themselves, oh, I should take profits now. But guys, again, I did take some profits back there, but again, I'm not going to be taking them this time. I'm going to be waiting for a higher pump. Okay, remember, Bitcoin I don't think is topped out yet, and we have to wait for that to actually top out to start taking some decent profits. Now, again, guys, if you're not able to pinpoint it, you should always be kind of dollar cost averaging back into the dollar as we're pumping through a bull cycle. But again, guys, I will never be selling my HODL coin, only my fast coin, and you must find those proportions for yourself, okay, based on your financials, okay? But a good word of thumb is to only sell a small portion of your main coins, bull cycle, and then reaccumulate at the end of the bear market and accumulation phase, okay? So guys, again, just watch for a bounce right here, some good volume to come back in the market. I love the volume 20, okay? Definitely a very good indication here. And guys, we definitely have a lot more room to the upside with Mana. I think this is just an extremely bullish coin, just waiting to pop. And guys, it's just a matter of time. And guys, let's talk about Ethereum real quick. I just wanted to show you guys, I mean, we're just punching into new all-time highs, guys. I was saying we could hit 3,000, geez, like mid-year, and guys, it might actually just happen just like that. So just couldn't be happier with Ethereum. There's just so much hype right now. The year-to-date gains, if we even just go to the 4-hour, are just incredible, guys. Check this out. So from right there, even to right there, we're talking a 300% on a main coin. And obviously, guys, if you got in since last year, last March, we are talking astronomical profits, 2,828%, guys. Just amazing times in Ethereum. Let me know if you've been riding Ethereum. Definitely extremely popular right now, guys. And for what's going to happen in the short term, guys, let's just wait for something a little clearer to play out. For instance, the last pattern that I can just see here was probably a diamond top formation right there, okay? And you need to have the move in the middle and the breakout up into it. So guys, basically we could get some kind of break down, and that's actually exactly what's happening right now. So it'd almost be this exact measurement like this. Oh, sorry, let me draw it like this here. So for instance, like that. And over here, it's where a breakout was, and it could probably look something like this. So we could probably head down to a little bit lower before we start to get a bounce. And that would actually almost look like a Bart Simpson as well. But guys, I can't stress enough, Ethereum just super healthy, guys. I expect to see some higher prices, even touching 3,000 maybe even before the end of next month, guys. Extremely bullish on Ethereum. And guys, when you want to talk about just how strong these coins are right now, zoom out. You know, go to the 4-hour, go to the daily, okay? Turn off everything so you can see from it. Let me turn off the 7 and the 20. And guys, you can see we've broken on the daily. We've been riding up. We can even go over to Bitcoin for a second and see the same things, okay? But for instance, with Bitcoin, we haven't quite gotten where we want. For instance, we broke back above it for a minute. Everybody's got a lot of hope right here, but then we have a very solid engulfing right here, okay? The bearish scenario is starting to play out right here. We are breaking back below the daily. But guys, I'm not super worried yet. We could end up just teetering around like this before we blast off again. And that would be a more realistic scenario than, for instance, this being the shortest bull cycle in history. Okay, and just breaking supports and crashing down. And not only that, but the way we've built up to it is very good as well. So this is definitely a big curveball we've been thrown. But guys, when you want to measure, okay, just look at this. So about 32% down here, 31.8. And then from right here to here even, that's not even 30 some percent. So if we went all the way down to here, it could mimic recent moves. okay? And then still recover, okay? But a lot of people definitely get scared when it breaks the daily, when it breaks the 100, you know, but we did get a good bounce off the 100, so that's a good sign. But if we were to go down that low, we would break the 100, okay, guys? So understand, work has to be put in for this price to actually hit out properly. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. These are just biblical times in cryptocurrency. I couldn't be happier with just everything going on right now. The price action, the student program, and I'm in the works of a new website, guys. That should be going up hopefully like late August. And man, just amazing times. If you're not familiar with the student program, guys, it's just an amazing course that I'm giving right now. And guys, it's extremely undervalued, guys. Definitely jump on that while you can. If you haven't discovered your financial freedom from even just watching my page, or you're not making the gains that you feel like you deserve, guys, this is exactly what you need. Having a professional at your back really helps you in the early stages and just helps you from a long several years of trial and error. Guys, let's be real. It's all about making money. And when you have someone helping you, guiding you to make better decisions and trade, learning to read the charts, guys, you're just going to end up in a much better success rate, guys. I can't stress enough. You can go to a trade school for a lot more money in a group class, not having one-on-one attention. There's no guaranteed absorption rate. And guys, you know what? That sucks. That's why I'm offering this course. I can't stress enough, the way that the world is designed is not for just normal people to make it. It's designed for you to work your 9-to-5 job, receive a paycheck, which gets inflated basically every single year. And guys, you're gonna drown. That's just the reality. Unless you have a good job making, you know, serious good money, you know, we're talking 6-7 figures a year, guys. It's just not a reality most of us have, you know, so we have to find a way to make money. And guys, the best way to do it is through trade. And I can't express enough, leverage is just a once in a lifetime opportunity to make as much money as you can. You want to make as much hay as while the sun is shining, basically, you know. So guys, reach out to me today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send you your onboarding email, guys. And when you get to Zion, which is where all my learned students reside for their sessions, guys, you'll just feel the vibe among the group, guys. It's just an amazing time, and just all these people exploring their financial freedom. It's just the best environment to learn and grow, guys. Understand that reading a new language is very hard. So having somebody help you in the early stages is extremely pivotal, guys. I just can't stress it enough. Reach out to us today. And guys, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as riding that wave. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.